the thing we're all watching is the weather and the temperatures, which are heading in the wrong direction, if you ask me. Let's bring in First Alert meteorologist Erin Moran.
Yeah, I don't think anyone was pleased when we were talking about tomorrow morning being the coldest morning in this stretch of chilly weather. But at least we're going to be precip free. The cloud cover has even been clearing here over the last several hours. Still, some of our most southeastern counties still seeing a little bit of that cloud cover, but really the sunshine kind of helping to melt some of these snowfall totals that we saw Sunday into Monday. Remember, a lot of this having to do with lake effect snow, but not all of it. Frisco picking up 1 inch of snow. Coppell seeing more than 2 inches of snow. Louisville with 1.5 inches, along with Midlothian. Forney, 2 inches of snow, and Euless at about 1.5 inches. So very impressive snowfall totals. You know, we were forecasting freezing rain and sleet. It ended up being snow. It ended up being a really dry snow as well, which is why the leaf blowers have been working on it. But really, it's kind of been beneficial for us. It's 26 degrees. We've got a wind chill of 14 right now. The camera kind of jumping back and forth a little bit. You look at the feels like temperatures across the board right now, and there are several spots with single-digit wind chills, but no one below 0 right now. I do think that's going to change as we head into tomorrow morning. You look at the next couple of hours and you already start to see the temperature falling pretty quickly down to 21 by 7 o'clock this evening with a feels like temperature of 7. But remember, this wind chill advisory is in place until noon tomorrow, and it's in place for a reason. Those feels like temperatures could be as cold as 10 below 0 before things start to warm up. So lows tonight are forecast in the single digits and in the low teens as well. You notice Love Field with a forecast of 12, 10 for Fort Worth and McKinney, down to 8 in Denton, and about 6 the forecast low for Graham, Bowie, and Gainesville. This is not factoring in that wind, though. We're going to have cloud cover increasing overnight, but we are going to have breezy winds as well, even gusting closer to 25 miles an hour at times. So 6 a.m., 12 degrees, but it feels like 4 below. 7 a.m., 10 degrees, feeling like 6 below. Then as we get the sun to begin to warm us up, we will see the temperatures rise into the 20s in the afternoon, but the wind gusts remain around 20 miles an hour past noon and continuing through the 3-4 o'clock hour. So the wind chills are in the teens through 2 o'clock, low 20s as we head towards 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon on this Tuesday. This is kind of this last surge of this really cold air into tomorrow. Once we get to Wednesday, you start to see that cold air retreating, at least for us, kind of pushing off a little farther to the north and east. And so when you look at the next 3 days, we finally get above freezing heading into Wednesday afternoon. We should be above freezing by mid-morning on Wednesday. Sunny skies, breezy southerly winds at about 15 to 25 miles an hour, and we get up to 53 on Thursday with those sunny skies. And really, the next couple of weeks, we're looking at temperatures above normal. Now remember, above normal does mean that we're in the mid-50s, but I think at this point everyone would take the mid-50s over the 20s and those lows in the teens and single digits. So we still have a weather alert for tomorrow, dangerously cold, especially factoring in the wind chills. By Wednesday, no more weather alerts. It will be a cold start to the morning, but mid-40s with sunny skies in the afternoon, guys.
All right,